Hey guys, we're at the Mammoth Mountain and I'm about to show you how to use Snowfeet Skiboards 99. 99 model comes with 3 different types of bindings. The snowboard boot bindings, the simpler ski bindings, and the releasable pro ski bindings. I'm about to use the snowboard boot bindings because of the flexibility and comfort of the snowboard boots. Let me show you how to put them on. Fastening the snowboard boot bindings is very simple. There's nothing to learn here. There are just these quick screws that you can use for adjusting the bindings to fit your boot size. You can use ski boards with or without the ski poles. It's just up to you. The ski poles might help you keep a better balance, so you gotta try it for yourself and see which one you prefer. I personally prefer to use the ski boards without the ski poles because it gives me more freedom to use my whole body without any restrictions. Moving in the line is pretty easy. You don't need the ski poles like the other skiers because of the length of the skis, which enables you to skate. Getting off the lift is pretty easy, as you can see. You can skate your way. Okay, let me tell you some basics about how to use the Snowfeet Skiboards 99. The 99 model is already quite similar to regular skis. Compared to skis, they are more playful, responsive. They are great for short and quick turns or jumping over moguls. You don't have as much support at front and back, so you gotta keep your center of gravity somewhere in the middle. The posture is similar to regular skis. I recommend to spread your legs about shoulder width. Spreading your arms helps to keep a better balance. So enough of the theory, let's have fun. Okay, so the stopping is very similar. It's the same as with long skis. If you're using the snowboard boot bindings, I recommend to fasten the bindings before every ride to make sure the bindings are tight and you have a good skiing experience. You can use them with or without the poles. Now, let's try it with the poles. Okay, let's try some deep carves. Now let's try to ride backwards. Okay, let's do moguls. I would recommend the Skiboards 99 to all skiers who love skiing but want to try something new, something more playful and responsive. They're great for short and quick turns, but also carving. You can do with this model pretty much all that you can do with skis, but with more freedom of movement and maneuverability. Woohoo!